Animate your hero section in Figma. All right, here I have 2 polygon shapes and a transparent portrait. So let's select the first shape and create a component, then create 2 variants. Select the second variant, the first polygon of the second variant, and move it to the left, and then the right to the right. And then let's go to prototype and connect the first one with the second one. After delay, make sure it is 1 millisecond, and here is 1 millisecond and smart animate. All right, now let's select the second one with the third one. After delay, 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy effect, and 1 millisecond, or 2000 millisecond. All right, let's go to my portrait, transform it into a component, and create 2 other variants. And for my portrait, let's scale it down, then connect the first variant with the second one. After delay, 1 millisecond and 1 millisecond. All right, now select the second one with the third one. After delay, 1 millisecond, and here 2000 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy effect. All right, now let's go to my hero frame, go to assets, and drag my component inside my frame like that. Then select the frame and hit play to see the animation in action.